If you have tried any work from home job and failed, this video is going to be for you. Because if you are anything like me, you have spent hours Googling and searching how to make money online. How can I stay home and be a stay-at-home parent with my kids, but still bring in a substantial income? Googling how can I work less and make more? And then if you're anything like me, you probably fell into the whole multi-level marketing, network marketing, all those pyramids, whatever you want to call them. I did that for 7 years, and when I tell you all that I got out of it was my face glued to my phone, losing that time with my kids, losing that financial freedom that I actually wanted, I learned that that wasn't for me. So if you have spent hours searching for the exact same thing, and if you have tried everything under the sun to make money from home, I'm going to tell you from experience the one thing that actually works. And this one thing can average you $900 to $1,400 a day by only working 2 hours a day from your cell phone. But first of all, if you're new over here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My name is Victoria, and I teach you the best ways to make money from home. So before I go into it, just a little bit about me. I'm a boy mom to 3 wild, amazing little boys. I'm an Army wife, and just like many of you, I'm a burnt out MLMer that just wanted more. So after realizing that whole network marketing thing wasn't giving me what I actually wanted, I decided to find a way to make 100% profit from my phone. The first thing I tried was having my own online boutique. I thought that this would be a great way for me to make 100% profit. But in reality, so much of my time was still spent shipping orders, dealing with vendors, talking to customers, taking the pictures, all of those things, just to try to bring in $20 off of a top. Long story short, my boutique started failing, and as it was plummeting, as I hadn't made a sale in 6 weeks, this girl starts showing up in my newsfeed talking about how she made $40,000 in 2 months from her cell phone. And she said she was only working 2 hours a day. Just like so many of you, I was so quick to say, that sounds too good to be true. I was so quick to say, yeah, right, because I've tried all of these other ways to make money from home, but I hadn't tried this. She was telling me that she didn't need to spam friends and family. She was telling me that she didn't need to recruit anybody or grow a team. She said you don't need any tech experience, you don't need any social media experience, you don't need any kind of following, and you learn how to attract customers to you. Now, if you're like me, you're sitting there saying, okay, I like the sounds of that, but does it actually work? So let's just explain exactly what high ticket marketing is, because that is what I found. High ticket marketing is marketing somebody else's product and making 100% of the profit. The absolute best way to do this is doing exactly what I did. I invested in a program one time. That program is an e-learning course. It teaches you the skills to market anything on all social media platforms. What you do with it is totally up to you. So I have tons of business owners, I have realtors, I have boutique owners, all these people that just get the program because they want to learn how to market their business. It is valuable information that is in high demand. But here's the beautiful thing about it for you and I. You don't need to have a product and you don't need to have a business because you get 100% resale rights to market it. So literally all I did was I got my program and then I followed step by step inside the program to learn how to average $900 to $1,400 a day. It teaches you how to create content. It teaches you how to get people into an email funnel so then you don't even need to worry about following up with anybody. Before I keep going and before I forget, if this sounds good to you at all right now, make sure you go to the link in my description so you can grab my whole 2-hour strategy that I follow. And that 2-hour strategy has now made me over $600,000 in the last 2 years. So once you learn the skills to start attracting customers to you, then you only need to work 2 hours a day, and then you're able to put your phone down and go hang out with your kids, go do whatever you want to do, play trains with them, take them to soccer. Even when you're cooking, you can still be averaging $900 a day from your cell phone because your email automations are doing all of the follow-up work for you. All of this to say, if you have been looking for the best unicorn work from home job, this is it. This has helped me to build a house and pay it off in 8 months. Prior to this, we were broke and we were renting and we had no savings. Not only that, I was able to go and buy my dream car. And if you want to see if this is actually working for anybody else, I'm going to post some wins right here so that you can see this is not just me. We have people in their 50s, 60s, 70s who are learning the same skills to market on social media and are averaging $900 to $1,400 a day. So if you are sick and tired of being sick and tired, this is the last work from home job you will ever need to do. Make sure you go to the link in my description, click that. That is going to send you an email with my full 2-hour strategy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I teach you the best ways to make money from home. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.